Welcome to Menchie's Art and Hobbies. As you can see, my garden is covered with snow today. Last night we have a snowfall and we had about 5 centimeters of buildup on the ground. So today I'm going to show you how the snow has damaged my plants and my whole garden. It would be nice to see, amazing, beautiful, but definitely it has made some damage to my plants, as contrary to what I showed you in my previous video, wherein they're so beautiful, lively, and very green. So let's take a look at the extent of the damage to my plants. Come and see more of my videos today. So this is in the morning of April 21st, after the snowfall. My garden is covered with snow. My plants are messy. My flowers are frozen. Just look at that. They're all bended, limping, dropping down. Even my tulips are also soaked in snow. And look at these daffodils that I showed you in my previous video. They're all beautiful then, and now they are broken. All the grounds was covered in snow. These are my beautiful daffodils yesterday, and look at them now. They couldn't even see the flowers. My beautiful magnolia tree is like a Christmas tree today. The buds are all soaked in snow, and I am scared that these buds might turn into brown. It could happen after being in the snow for some time. So I am hoping that they would continue to bloom for me and for others. I hope for the best for my magnolia. They still look okay, so we'll see. I hope in the summer they could recover. Now this is my backyard. As you can see, everywhere what you can see is snow. I could not even see my plants. Where are my strawberries? My asparagus? I could not even see the bed that I made for my strawberries yesterday. My apple tree, my plum, my cherry, they're all covered with snow. All the branches are covered with snow. And I am thinking what's gonna happen to the buds and flowers that are coming out. I hope it would still be okay after the snow is melted. You see, that's nature. That's nature, my dear friends. Something could change in just a few hours, like what happened last night. So I will show you later, maybe in the next few weeks, what will be the effect of the snow to my plants. So continue watching, please. Well, the snow will melt as soon as the temperature rises, but it also means that my seedlings, my little plants, would still be staying in my window for a while, maybe a few weeks more. And I have to watch how my seedlings grow, like this, my tomatoes, my beans, my zucchini, and my other flowering plants, as they stay in my window for a little while. So I'll give you an update, my dear friends, on what's going to happen in my garden. So just keep on watching. Thank you very much.